Hello friends, I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Today we are going to discuss about report or report writing. But if you are new in this channel, do subscribe my channel for the latest videos about English and other interesting subjects. Report has a pivotal role in our daily lives. Report is written in every field of life, even that is institutional, business or other fields. Report is needed. So what does report mean? A report is an informative piece of writing. It concerns a particular person, place, situation, plan, etc. Its second definition can be taken as a report is a clear and concise document which is written for a particular purpose and audience. Generally it is of 200 words, but sometimes it depends on the question too. Now it doesn't mean that the report should be of 200 words. No, it can be more than 200 words. Like if you write report in business field, it may be more than 200 words. Even if you write a report to any institution, it may be more than 200 words. But the last points to remember while report writing. The first point, write in past tense, means report always should be written in past tense. The second point, don't use first person like I and we. Try to use third person like he, she, it or singular name. The third point, use indirect speech. The fourth point, try to use passive voice, means don't use active voice. You can use active voice, but try to use more and more passive voice. The fifth point is sentences should be short and simple. Don't exceed it. The sixth point, use linking words, means linking words are which joins two words or two sentences together. The seventh point, keep an eye on punctuation mistakes. This is the most important point where many students do mistake in this point, like they do punctuation mistakes. This eighth point, provide a suitable title and heading. Title heading is also more important. If there is no title and heading, so it will be unable to understand. The ninth point, name of the reporter. And the 10th point, mention the place, date, time and other relevant acts about the event. The 11th point, develop ideas like causes, reasons, consequences, opinion, logically. And the 12th point, less formal and more descriptive manner while writing a report for school. It means there should be less formality and more descriptive manner while writing a report for school. But the 13th point, write in a formal and descriptive manner while writing a report for newspaper, etc. Means for newspaper you should write in a formal way and in a descriptive manner. The last point, which is more important, that is avoid jargon words. And according to C.A. Brown, he says that a report is a communication from someone who has some information to someone who wants to use that information. Means report is also one kind of information which is delivered, which is sent to other person. So report is also one kind of information. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, you have liked this video, and if you have liked it, so do subscribe channel for further videos about English and other interesting subjects. And the next video will be about importance of report, important features of report and characteristics of report. And try not to miss that video. And take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.